In this video, I'm going to show you how to use alcohol inks and acrylic inks and resins starting right now. Hi everyone, this is Doris at DF Designs. Today I'm showing you how I mixed the alcohol and the acrylic inks into the resin and create a 3D flower in this mold. Stick around till the end because I wasn't happy, so I had to try other stuff with it too. I mixed 8 ounces of resin, pouring the majority into the mold after I put a ½ ounce into these 3 little 3-ounce cups. The 3 colors that I'm mixing into the resin today are Amsterdam acrylic ink in titanium white, Brea Reese blush alcohol ink. I mixed 4 drops in, but I wasn't happy with the opacity, so I mixed in more. And the 3rd color I mixed in is the Brea Reese Prussian blue, which I mixed in 8 drops of. I have 3 cake icing piping bags kind of standing up inside of a cup to hold it open, and I put each color of resin into its own bag, twisted it shut, pushing all the resin down to the bottom and pushing the air out. Before I started drawing petals with the bags, I took out my Amtake heat gun to pop any air bubbles that might be in the clear resin. I'm using it on the low fan setting and a low temperature setting. As you can see, the white and the pink are very transparent. So let me know down in the comments what you think of this. Have you ever used alcohol inks mixed in resin, and did you think it was dark enough or was it too light of a tint? I'd love to hear from you and hear your thoughts on this. And if you haven't yet, I hope that you subscribe and hit the little bell for the notifications so you'll be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is now the next day and it's unmolded. It was very, very light. So I took two colors and I'm going to do some alcohol ink design on the back. The two colors I'm using is the Magenta by Copic and the Prussian Blue by Copic. And I'm also going to use 91% alcohol, and I'm going to use a straw, but I'm also going to use my heat gun a little bit to help dry it out. And then later on, I'm going to add some silver, which is the Molotov Liquid Chrome, which is a refill for their pens, and I have it in a bottle diluted. Well, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Please tell me down in the comments your experiences with using alcohol inks and acrylic inks. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out these two videos over here on the right. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.